cider vinegar, liquid aminos, which is my substitute for soy sauce. It's just a cleaner version of soy sauce. White vinegar with lots of Thai chilies, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, I hope I said that right, black peppercorns, bay leaves, roughly chopped garlic, ginger, and a can of coconut milk. And this is my chicken. Right now all I have is drumsticks, and I normally use chicken thighs, but I ran out, so I'm just going to use whatever I have in my freezer. So I have drumsticks, and I sliced them a little bit just to make sure that they cook through and faster. Okay, so this is what we have, guys.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to measure the saltiness or the vinegariness of the chicken adobo. So with mine, I like to use these 3 liquids right here, which is I have the liquid aminos, okay, and apple cider vinegar, and I use this because I like to add a little bit of tardiness and sweetness to the sauce. And this one is the white vinegar with lots of Thai chilies. So I already started. I started with the apple cider vinegar, about 4 tablespoons here, and then about the same amount of the Thai chili vinegar. Now it's okay if there's some chili that pours in there, it's fine, because I like mine a little bit of spicy. So this one will make it a little bit spicy. So that's what we have, and squeeze that out, mix it in, and then I'm going to add the liquid aminos. So keep mixing it, and then I stop right there. So that's about, let's see, that's about 5 tablespoons or so, 5 to 8 tablespoons of the liquid aminos, okay? And what I do, this is really good. Let me take a taste. Okay, it's still vinegary, but I love the spiciness of it. So I'm going to add more soy sauce. Okay, and then mix it again. So you pretty much keep doing it. Don't put too much, but keep doing it until you reach your desired taste, okay? Taste it again. Still vinegary, but we're getting close. Okay, I reached it. Perfect.
Okay, now we're going to turn on the stove. Medium-high heat. Okay. And we flatten our chicken evenly in the stove. We add a little bit of olive oil, maybe like a tablespoon. And we just wait till it kind of sizzles, okay? Now you hear it sizzle. So you just keep turning it. So we kind of like have to fry it lightly until we see that mark of like golden brown mark. So you just do that. Okay guys, now once it's lightly golden brown, okay, then we add our seasoning. So we start our onion powder, about a tablespoon. I like to put a lot of seasoning here. Garlic powder, lots of it. Pepper. About a teaspoon of pepper. And pour in our roughly chopped garlic. And our ginger. Now ginger adds the like a control for the gaminess of the meat. You kind of just have to mix it roughly. Okay, just to even out all the flavor. tablespoon. And with this time, you kind of want to lower your heat to medium heat. Don't worry about that color, the one that got stuck on the pan. You want that. That will add extra flavor later on once we added our liquid. And now, we cover this pan for about 5 minutes. It will create moisture. Or liquid. One fourth cup of water. So we just let that cook through. Like have it simmer down. See all that flavor, the crust that it created, that will be gone in a little bit, and it will be mixed with the liquid as part of the sauce, and it will be extra flavor, yumminess. Okay, and we'll let that simmer, covered for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, after about 5 minutes, open it. When we add our peppercorns. Okay. It's about a handful, maybe like a tablespoon. And then you kind of want to crack it to release some oil and open its flavor. And then just put it in. And also bay leaves. So I add about a couple or 3 or 4 for more flavor, and then I kind of crack them a little bit just again to open up, you know, to release some oil and activate the flavor. And I'm gonna leave it uncovered because you want some of the liquid to evaporate. Unless you want really a lot of sauce, then you can cover it and the moisture will add more liquid to it. So yeah, I'm just trying to put all the sauce or the crust on the sides. I wish you guys can smell. It smells so good. Okay. Now we'll let that simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we will add our coconut milk. Okay, so we will add our coconut milk. Now, if you don't want it spicy, you don't have to use like what I used, the white vinegar with lots of Thai chilies. That's a really spicy one, but I like mine really spicy, so you can just simply use a white vinegar and apple cider vinegar, or you can just simply use apple cider vinegar and with your soy sauce, mix it however you want it to taste, and that's it. So once that stirred in, then we just let it simmer for a few more minutes, maybe like around 10 more minutes, and we are done. And now it's boiling, simmering really good, and you see that glistening color of it and the aroma of the coconut. That means it's done. So we can now turn this off, and we can now serve it. Okay, this is my quinoa, and I like serving it in a bowl because so it catches the sauce better. So I'll get, there you go, maybe a little more. Let's get a small piece. There's not a small piece here. There you go. And then just pour some of that sauce on top. More sauce. And there you have it.